going to show you how to factory reset a pair of Beats Solo 4, okay? So it's very simple here. Now, if we look on here, we have one button right here. We have the LED here. We have volume up, volume down, and play and pause. What we want to do is press and hold the power button and the volume down. Press and hold both buttons and keep holding till the LED starts flashing red, then let go. We'll do it together. Power button, volume down, okay? Ready, set, go. Press and hold, just keep on holding. I think it takes about 15 seconds or so, but I'm still holding. Still holding. It's going to turn red soon. It's blinking red. Go ahead and let go and give it a second. We just factory reset and now it's going to go back into pairing mode. You know it's in pairing mode when it's blinking white, 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 just like that. Now, if you did a factory reset and for instance you were connected to your phone before, after the factory reset, you have to go back into your pairing list and you have to delete the original one when you first had it connected. Okay, either unpair, forget device, or delete. Okay, anyway, there you go.